Hello, BYW students, it's Mr. Sullivan. Today we're going to be looking at basic statistics. So today's learning target is I can calculate the mean, median, mode, and range by interpreting a data set. So before we go into this information, we need to know what statistics is. Statistics is a branch of math dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of masses of numerical data. There's some key vocabulary. There is the mean, which is also the average of the set of data. How to find it is you simply just add up your numbers and then divide by the number by the amount of numbers in your set of data. We're going to do an example. You also might see it written as this with an X and a bar over it. That's just X bar. That's another way of saying your mean or your average. Your median is the middle number in the set of data. It's important that you put the numbers in order from smallest to largest first, so your data needs to be organized. So data needs to be organized. We're not going to be working with a lot of data for this lesson, but like if you were doing like real data analysis, then you would typically just use Excel. We're doing everything by hand. To find it, you write your numbers in order, find the middle number. If you have an even number, average the two middle numbers. Your mode, that's the number or value that occurs the most in your set of data. You can have no mode, or more than one mode. So there's a bunch of possibilities. So you simply just write your numbers in numerical order and count how many times each number appears. Your range is the difference of the highest minus the lowest. So basically just do big minus little or high minus low. And that tells you the range of your data. So example number 1, find the mean, median, mode, and range of the following data set. If you look, we don't have a large data set. We got 17, 47, 26, 41, 22, 39, 22. They are not in order from smallest to largest. So the first thing we want to do is put them in order from smallest to largest. So I look to see my smallest number. My smallest number is 17. My next biggest number is 22. My next biggest number, I have another 22. My next biggest number is 26. My next biggest number is 39. My next biggest number is 41, and my next biggest number is 47. So my data is now organized. I can now analyze it and interpret all these cool things. Your mean, add up your numbers and divide by the number of numbers you have. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up each of these numbers. So we are going to do 17 plus 22 plus 22 plus 26 plus 39 plus 41 plus 47. When we type that into our calculator, we should get, one second. We get 214. If we count how many pieces of data we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to take that 214 and divide it by 7. 214 divided by 7 is 30.57. If we want to round that to the nearest tenth, we would round it to 30.6. So my average is 30.6. Your median is the number that occurs in the middle. So I'm going to copy and paste my data. And how I do it is I just cross out. So if I cross out one here, I cross out one here, cross out one here, cross out one here, and I keep crossing out. What number am I left with? 26. 26 is my median. That is the data point right in the middle of my set of data. Okay. Now we want to find our mode, or the number that occurs the most. If we look, the number that occurs the most is 22. It occurs twice. So our mode is 22. And then our range, we simply take our highest data value and subtract our lowest. So high minus low Our highest data point is 47. Our lowest is 17. 47 minus 17, 30. Our range is 30. And that's basic statistics. If you have any questions, email myself or Ms. Townsend. Have a great day.